Hi children, welcome back to part 2 of maths, looking at 2D or two-dimensional shapes and their properties. Let's have a quick look at the house that we looked at before, but this time you are going to describe on a form or in your Google Classroom to your teacher more about this house. Maybe you could talk about the windows in the house and the shapes that they are and their properties. Or maybe you could talk about the chimney and what that's made up of. Now we're going to look at shapes around the home and how we can see how we can look at different shapes. Now I've looked at my pencil case. Can you tell me what shape this is? Have a think. That's right, it's a rectangle. 2 short sides, 2 long and 4 vertices. Can you tell me what shape this is? That's right, it's a triangle. Has 3 sides, 3 vertices. Can you tell me what shape this is? That's right, it's a square. But why is it a square? 4 sides that are equal, they are the same length, and 4 vertices. It's a square, well done. Can you tell me what shape this is? That's right, it's a circle. 1 side going all the way round. Does it have any vertices? Shout yes or no. Did you shout no? Well done. It has no vertices. It doesn't have at any point at another side meeting another, one all the way round. So I would like you to go around your house and have a look at the different shapes that you can find and to explain them, their properties, to somebody else. Or write them down for your teacher and send into your Google Classroom. So now we're going to be looking at 5 to 10-sided shapes. The first one we have is a pentagon. I'll say it, you say it, pentagon. And a pentagon has 5 sides. Can you tell me how many vertices it's got? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices. And to me, it looks a little bit like a cupcake if you put a cherry on top, and that's how I remember it. Next we have a 6-sided shape called a hexagon. Now this shape has 6 sides, and the word 6 with a x sounds a little bit like hexagon. So again, that might be another way that we can remember. Next, we have a heptagon. Heptagon that has 7 sides. Have a look for a 50p. Count the sides on a 50p. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 50p is a heptagon shape. See if you can find other things with 7 sides. Next we have an octagon with 8 sides. Can you think of something that wibbles and wobbles in the ocean that has 8 legs? That's right, an octopus. Octagon, octopus, so it has 8 sides. Then we have a nonagon with 9 sides. How many vertices has this got? Maybe write down in your Google Classroom stream. If not, you can shout out the answer to me. That's right, well done. Now we have a decagon that has 10 sides and quite a lot of vertices. So I would like you to write down for your Google Classroom or to shout out or tell another adult or somebody else in the room what you know about these shapes, how many sides, how many vertices they've got, and how you're going to remember them. So let's put some word sentences together to learn about our shapes and their properties. I will do the first one for you, and then I would like you to try one for yourself. So, we have a circle. Now, can you remember how many sides the circle had? Well done, it had 1. Now, were they curved or were they straight? That's right, it was curved all the way round. Can you tell me how many vertices it had? That's right, it didn't have any, it had 0 vertices. So here on your table, I would like you to write a sentence putting all of this together. Let's do the first one. A circle has one side that is curved with 0 vertices. What I would like to do now is to write down or to tell somebody else the other shapes, looking at a rectangle, a triangle, and a square. I look forward to talking to you about more 2D and 3D shapes next time. Bye!